watch, you know, start another play. One play in the game I want to represent for Bad Bigs Entertainment. For the girl, them. Come on, baby, Tony on the way.
Yeah, you don't get it. I wanna hear you say yes. I wanna hear you say yes. Representing for none other than the Bad Mix. One TV and a Bad Mix TV. I want the DE.
Continue to Stevie, you know, look a piece of paper. See, so the artists them a move back for them one time. See, now me, you ready for me some job? Alright. So, right now, we have a performance by two. I bought out and just you alone. You alone? Two now. And two important people. You understand? What's the name of the group? Well, me hold the mic here. No worry yourself. I hold the mic. I'm here stand. See? No worry yourself. What's the name of the group? Family of the Ark. Oh, Family of the Ark, right? Oh, Family of the Ark, right? Family of the Ark. But I'm sweet, baby, no two go to school. See? Alright, so here we go now. So, yeah, man, come on the stage, make you look more uniform and everything. See, me stand, me hold the mic. Yeah, me hold the photo, see? Alright. I don't know this one when I try. See me? So, Family of the Ark are here.
Greetings, one and all. So we're going to take down the music on through Africa and the Caribbean.
That was the voice of the diabetes. You understand? Family. You know what I mean? So, you know, today is all about a confession. We're there. And so I'm telling us if you don't want an eye check, you can check down on the tape down there. So, see, if you don't want a doctor examination or something like that, you can just roll up on it.